Today I'm going to go over my strategy on how to flip common TV DVD series on eBay. And I know a lot of you guys are wondering where I get my stylish outfits. It is from Fashion Nova. It's a Wednesday. I'm going crazy. Hey everyone, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we grow our reselling businesses together. Today I'm going to take you through my strategy on how I flip common TV DVD sets on eBay. Now these are series like 24, Lost, The Office, Friends, Sons of Anarchy, Sopranos, those ones that you commonly see on the shelves at the thrift stores. And these are sets where if you're scanning them and they're used, you're most likely never going to pick them up just to sell them as individual seasons because there's not much money in each of those sets. And before we get started with my strategy on how to flip these TV sets, make sure to leave a thumbs up if you like these DVD videos. Okay, step number one is you want to sell complete series of these sets. That's how you're going to get the most value out of these items. Take a series like 24, if you find season 1, even if it's like brand new, you're probably selling for like $8. But if you get all 8 seasons of 24, you're going to be able to get like $60 for that set used. And the reason why you're going to be able to hack the system by selling complete sets are, first, people are always looking for complete sets. So that's most likely what they're going to be searching for on eBay. And second, you're going to save so much because combined shipping for media mail is so cheap even when it gets to like 4 or 5 pounds. And that media mail cost is what's going to save a lot of money and generate profit for you. My second tip in this strategy is you need to make sure you're buying each individual season for as cheap as you can. So my rule of thumb is I try to get them for $1 each. So if I see something mispriced at like $1, I will make sure I pick them up, or I'll have to wait until they hit dollar day and I'll stock up on them then. Step 3 is to prepare to hold on to items and wait to complete the series. So when you are buying these for cheap, you're not always going to find a complete run of a series at a store. So what I do is if I buy them cheap, I just put them on a shelf or a box somewhere and wait it out until I find the rest of the series. Now I make sure I have a little list handy to me that I know when I'm at a thrift store, if I see another season in that series, I could check that list and see if that's one that I need to be able to complete a run. Step 4 is you need to know which seasons are generally the hardest to find and be prepared to pay up a little bit more on those seasons to be able to complete a run. The general rule of thumb is the last few seasons in any type of TV show are usually harder to find than the earlier seasons. An example is season 6 for Lost. I'm usually able to find 1 through 5 pretty easy, get those for $1 each, but season 6 is usually the hardest one to find. It's also the one that sells really well by itself. Usually it's like $25 to $30 the last time I checked. So if I ever find it for like $5, I'm making sure I'm picking it up because I know it is the harder one in that set to complete the series. And then if you do the math of the whole series, I paid $1 for seasons 1 through 5, so that's $5 there. Another $5 for season 6. So that's a $10 investment into a $70 series. So that is some really nice profit that you got because you were lowballing the earlier seasons and be willing to pay up for a later season. Rule number 5 is I typically try to price all of these sets to market. I'm not going to wait really long on these sets. I'm typically pricing maybe the bottom 25% of the market up to maybe the median point of the market. Now, when the pandemic was going crazy, you could price it around the very top end of the market and be able to move any type of set that you wanted. But right now, you typically want to price it around that 25 to 50% band, and those will move pretty quickly and you won't have to sit on them too long. Now, this strategy is not one that's going to make you rich, but it is a nice way to have some bread and butter series that you're going to be commonly flipping within your business. Now, if you follow my 5 tips, you should be able to start stockpiling up some sets, building up some series, and flipping some overtime. So thank you guys for joining me. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on the way out. If you like this video, YouTube's going to recommend 1 or 2 more over there. Check them out if you have a little bit more time. And also let me know down in the comments below what TV series that you guys are flipping. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.